everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to enroll Zenler user from Instagram lead ad leads automatically. So here, as an online educator and business consultant, I am conducting multiple courses for digital marketing and social media digitally. And to promote these courses, I am using Instagram lead ads. I have also created a lead gen form, and my objective is that as soon as an interested student is going to visit my ad campaign, they are going to submit this lead gen form. Automatically, that person should be enrolled as a user in Zenler. That is the application which I am using to manage the content of my courses as well as the users. Now, to automate this entire process, I will have to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Zenler, and that I am going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step that how we can automatically add Instagram leads as users in Zenler. So here, as an online educator and business consultant, I am conducting various courses related to business management, social media marketing, digital marketing, etc. And to promote my courses among the students, I am using Instagram lead ads. So with the help of Instagram lead ads, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page and on Instagram. And my objective is that every time an interested student in my courses is going to visit my ad campaign, they are going to submit the lead gen form, which I have created with the help of Meta Ads Manager. Then automatically that lead should be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and then further I want to add that lead in my Zenler account because I'm using Zenler to manage all my courses, the content of the course and the users. So I want to add that lead as a user in my Zenler account because they can be my prospective buyers as well as customers. Okay, so then further, when they are going to purchase the courses according to the course which they have purchased, I'm going to enroll these students accordingly in those courses. But currently, as they are my leads, I want to add these leads as users in Zenler so that they can explore the courses and the free content. Now, to automate this entire process, I will have to build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zenler, and that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without any coding and programming knowledge, simply by setting up connections between our work applications. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, because my objective is to automate the entire process of adding all the Instagram lead ads as users in Zenler. So here I'm going to set up the connection between Instagram lead ads and Zenler. So let's get started. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. Once you will reach here, we have two options. As you can see, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. We are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created, and to save the workflows we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Enroll Zenler users from Instagram lead ads automatically. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So you can see the list I have for different kind of folders which I have created for different varieties of my workflows according to the requirements. Now the automation which I'm going to create currently is to manage my leads. So here I'm going to select automations for lead management, and now I'm going to click on create. As I want to manage the leads which I'm receiving for my digital courses through Instagram lead ads, directly I want to add them as users in the platform which I'm using to manage all the courses. All right. Now here you can see that I have a new screen which contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and action over here. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose I want that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, automatically that lead should be enrolled as user in Zenler. For that, I'm going to take Instagram lead ads and trigger and Zenler in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when a new lead is received through Instagram lead ads, then only a user will be added in Zenler, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application over here. That will be Instagram lead ads. Then we have to select the trigger event. So our trigger event will be new lead instant, as I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, so instantly the response of that lead should be captured inside Pabbly Connect and my workflow should get started. Alright, so here we have selected a trigger application and the trigger event. Now we have to build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. To do that, you can see that I am already logged into my Instagram account. My account is already connected with my Facebook page as well. On this Facebook page, I'm running my ad campaign and this is my page name, Digital Dynamics. Quickly, I'm going to click on switch so that I could act as a page only. And also now I'm going to show you the ad campaign which I'm running on Meta Ads Manager. So here you can see that this is my ad campaign. The page is already connected over here, and also I've created a lead gen form. So as soon as a lead is going to submit the lead gen form by visiting my ad campaign, automatically with the help of Instagram lead ads, I'm going to receive the response. Now for that, first of all, let's click on connect to build the connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect. As I was already logged into my Instagram account, to my Facebook page, to Meta Ads Manager, everything is going to be very easy for building the connection. So here, if you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you how to build a new connection. For that, you also have to keep in mind that you are already logged into these pages, and now that you are already logged into these account and pages, and now you have to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. As we have done that, you can see that now my account is already detected as I was already logged in. So I'm going to just click on continue. Once again, I will click on continue. And you can see that our connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we just have to select the page and the lead gen form. So the name of my page, as you can see, is Digital Dynamics. We have to select the same page on which we are running the ad campaign. So here I'm going to select the page Digital Dynamics. And then you have to select the lead gen form by using which you want to generate the leads and capture the response. So here the name of my form is new form. I have recently created it to generate the leads for my Instagram lead ads when I'm running an ad campaign for my digital courses. Okay, so now here I'm going to capture the response. For that, first of all, let's turn this simple response button on. And now we are going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, a test response is captured over here. This means our connection is built. And now it is showing waiting for webhook response. So we have to do a test submission by adding a new lead. So we have to do a test submission to capture the response. How we are going to do that test submission? By creating a new lead on Instagram lead ads by submitting this lead gen form. Now, because I'm not running any live campaign currently, this is a test campaign which I'm showing you in order to show you how to build the connection. As I'm not running any live campaign currently, I'm using this test campaign to show you how to build the connection. So I could not send a response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, here I'm going to do a test submission with the help of lead ads testing tool of Meta for developers. So here I'm going to select my page and my form, and by submitting this lead gen form, I'm going to send the response towards Pabbly Connect, and I will check whether my connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful or not. So here lead ads testing tool is going to help us to set up this. So lead ads testing tool helps us to test our integration, and with the help of this tool only, I'm going to test my integration. In your case, when you will be running a live campaign, once your connection will be successful, you are going to receive the response of a real lead, the actual lead towards Pabbly Connect, as soon as they're going to submit your lead gen form. So quickly, I'm going to click on preview form. In case if you're using an existing form, you have to delete the existing lead from that form, because it is saying that you can create one lead per form. As it is a test submission, we could not send multiple leads with the same form. We have to delete the existing one to send a new one. Alright, so once you will delete the existing lead, you also have to refresh this page. Once again, you will select your Facebook page and the form, and then you will click on preview form to submit this form. Okay, because I am using a new form, so I have directly opened it. So basically, this is a contact form which I am going to use in order to generate the leads. So here, first of all, I'm going to select the type of course in which the client is interested. Let's say social media management. Then here we have the time. Then we have the name of the lead. Let's say amazing lead. let's say the email is amazing88@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, and let's say this is a company name, a dummy company name. As I'm a business consultant, so I conduct courses for the individuals as well as for professionals as well. Okay, so now here I'm going to quickly click on continue. I'm going to submit the form. As we have done that, now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. For a few seconds, let's wait so that the response could be captured. And you can see that the response is received over here. So in the response, we have received multiple details. Here we have the course name, then we have the time to contact to these clients or leads. We have their first name, their last name, their email address, and the phone number and the company name. And these details are exactly the same which I have entered in the form. This means our connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So once we have set up the connection, now our objective is to create user in Zenler for the response which we have received. So for that, let's go towards our action step. Let us select Zenler as our action application. Then we have to select the action event as add new user, and let's click on connect. To build the connection between Zenler and Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to show you that what you are supposed to do. If you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. But I'm going to show you to build a new connection. For that, you can see that I'm already logged into my Zenler account. You also have to keep logged into the application. And now here you have to provide the API key and the school account. So first of all, let's start with the school or the account name. To get school name or the account name, here the instructions are given that you have to go towards your Zenler account. You have to go towards the dashboard URL. And if, for example, your URL is this, then whatever is given after https:// and before .newzenler.com, that will be your school or account name. So I'm going to take you towards my Zenler account. Over here you can see that this is the URL, and over here after https:/ and before .newzenler.com, here we have the school name. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste the school name over here. Now we have to go towards API key section. So let's provide the API key. To get the API key, we have to use the school name which we have received from Zenler. And by using that school name, we have to find out the API key. So we have to copy this URL given over here. We have to open a new tab. We have to paste it over here. And in the place of school name, we have to enter the exact school name which we have of our Zenler account, which we have recently copied. So I'm going to directly enter it because I know what is the school name. We have received it from our Zenler account recently, and I'm going to click on enter. As we have done that, now according to the school name, it has taken us towards the developers page of Zenler, and over here we have the API key. So let's copy our API key and let's paste over here. It is that easy. You just have to find out your school name, and with the help of the school name, you can just find out the API key as well. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Zenler and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we just have to enter the details in these fields to create the user. Now here we have to first of all enter the first name. So you can see that we have already received the details in our earlier response. Instead of entering the details manually, here we are going to simply map the data. So mapping is inserting data from previous step. It is asking us for the first name. The first name is given over here in our previous step. Let us insert it like this and it is mapped. When we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new lead is going to receive through Instagram lead ads, automatically the data which we are going to map in these fields, such as this name, is going to replace with the new data of that new lead. And in this way only, we are going to automate the entire process of adding each and every Instagram lead as user in Zenler. Because if we will enter the data manually by copy and pasting or by typing, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Then we will not be able to automate the process because the workflow will get stuck. In a similar manner, let's map the last name, then we will map the email address as well. Okay, then here we have the option of role. So I'm going to provide the role as student. Then we have the password. We also have to provide the password as it is mandatory. You have to give unique password to each and every user. And the details which I have received contains unique email because email is going to be unique for every new lead. So I'm going to use email as the password. Then I'm going to map the phone number. You can also use phone number as the password. Then other details are not mandatory and also I have not received them. So I'm going to directly click on save and send test request button. And here you can see that I have received the response. It is saying that the people is added. We also have received the response code and the data ID. So I'm going to quickly take you towards Zenler. We will go towards the student section from the left side. And here you can see that yes, our lead is added over here successfully as new user with all the same details. This means our connection between Instagram lead ads and Zenler is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead is going to receive through Instagram lead ads, automatically that lead is going to be added as a user in Zenler. I have created this automation to manage my leads so that for my courses, automatically the leads can be added in Zenler as users and they can explore the courses, they can test the demo lectures as well, and further they will be able to make the decisions of purchasing the courses. So I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.